Okay, so I am on my way to go and get me these tacos from this taco street. I've been trying to get to these here. Oh my goodness. And I don't even see the truck over there. The truck's supposed to be over there at 5:30. I don't see it. There it is. I see it. Okay, these are this is some good food, y'all. Okay, I don't believe it. But this is the truck. So, pepper smoked barbecue. Corn.
Is that 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is the fully loaded baked potato. And this is 3 tacos. Bon appetit. Time to eat.